It's time to reflect upon what did you do, what you need to do, what will you do. New Year resolutions are made at the end of the year, just before you start a new year. It's a promise just to yourself that you will change something and make it better in future. It's the time to reflect positively about all the things that you did in a great way, along with some of the things that weren't so great and you would like to change or do them differently in the upcoming year. कहते हैं कि ज़िंदगी की खूबसूरती उसको बामकसद और बामानी बनाने में है. Who I am, why I have been sent to this earth, what's the purpose of my life. Pursuing meaningful life add beauty to our own selves. Silence is the key to listen to yourself. Have you ever thought that the most ignorant person by yourself is you? Give time to yourself. Talk to yourself. Accept yourself with the realities of the world. The better you with a new life. Decide today who you will become, what you will give, how you will live. Add beauty and colors to your life by forgiving yourself. Stop comparing yourself to others and recognize that everyone has different paths. Try to forget all the terrible moments. Please do not stick with your past. Move forward with a new hope. Believe in yourself and a positive approach towards life. What are your New Year resolutions? How can you make yourself a better one? Do write in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe ELTStreaming. See you soon with a new video in the new year. Happy New Year to all of you.